Hey guys, it's Frankie Dr. Hall Washer Frankie, and today we are going to be doing a diamond painting on a coaster. I've just peeled out the film and now I am putting the wax on the tool so that I can grab these little plastic diamonds to attach onto the coaster. Let's get started. Kaishaba. We are starting off with the pink inside the ears, and we're just basically filling up everything that uses that pink. We're doing that first. Music reminds me of the game called Oubliettes, like the background music that plays when you play the game. And if you don't know anything about Oubliettes, not sponsored, but it's a very cute game, and it's kind of like you want to capture the Oubliettes, kind of like Pokemon, but instead of throwing balls and fighting random things that pop up when you walk through the field or in a cave, you can decide if you want to fight these things or not. Well, you're not really fighting them, you're dance battling them, but you can decide if you want to fight or dance battle these or not. But you have to have the appropriate materials because certain oubliettes are attracted by certain items. So if you have like muzz, then the oubliettes that like muzz, you go up to them, you give them muzz, and then you have a dance battle. There's also, you can also go to like a barn, and there's like dance battles in the barn. Also, when you finish these dance battles and you win, you have the option of getting a seed from the oubliettes you defeated, and you can plant them in your garden, and they will grow, so you can get one of your own of that, of that type if you don't have it. Or just an extra one if you want. Because sometimes you do get oubliettes and they will follow you. Like you will be walking around and there'll be like a whole line of oubliettes behind you. If you're like kind of don't want if you don't want the specific oubliette anymore, you can release them into like the what I like to call the wildlife reserve. But you can go and get them and claim them anytime if you want to pull them back in, but they won't level because they won't be with you to level. But I think it's a really cute game. So yeah, this kind of reminds me of that. And now we are filling in the eyes. put a cup on top of this.